Jai Jivdani. Hi, this is Kamini Khanna, founder of Beauty with Astrology. Today, I'm sharing my weight loss journey with you. I spent my childhood in an area called Virar, which was just like a village in Thane near Mumbai. I was very thin in my childhood, but at the same time, I was very strong. I lived a very basic village life. My diet was good enough. I used to eat 6 chapatis and also used to drink a liter milk every day. Lot of household work as there were 8 people in the house. I got married in Punjab, which has an extreme climate, very hot and very cold at times. The culture over there did not suit me and I got ill. I suffered from burns, pleurisy, arthritis, abortions, typhoid, nervous breakdowns, spondylitis and slip disc and whatnot. I couldn't meet the expenses of the treatment. And finally, I turned into a 96 kg fat woman. I even used to get panic attacks and I suffered from hiatus hernia at the same time. I decided to come out of all this nonsense. I asked my concerned doctor that what is the natural cure for this. He told me to reduce 5 kg of my weight and I promised him to shut down 20. Walk and exercise were impossible for me because of my weak physical conditions. I used to wear an orthopedic belt around my waist and a collar around my neck and started my walk for 20 minutes on the terrace of my house. I also started learning yoga from different people. After few days, I got used to walk and I started walking 2 times on the beach. Since I was having money crunch, I couldn't afford to join gym. I started having boiled food. I restricted myself from even biscuits which contains edible oil. I did this for many years. I took gaps in between but used to continue the same after some days. Side by side, I started meditating 1 hour in the morning and half an hour at night. Meditation helped me a lot for my nervous system. Very slowly and gradually I started losing my weight. When I lost 15 kgs, I got confidence and I started working. I became a very successful writer, music director, singer, anchor, and at the same time I invented a science called Beauty with Astrology. I used to teach meditation also. Slowly, but I was gaining my confidence. I started meditating up to 3 and 3.5 hours. I did not learn meditation from anyone. I used to eat everything but in control, and homeopathy helped me a lot. Now, dark clouds were disappearing. I lost total 35 kgs. With the grace of God, I am improving day by day and also helping people to come out from all the nuisances and live a healthy and a happy life. God bless you all. Are you obese? Are you not able to join gym because of money crisis? If yes, then don't worry. I can teach you such a lifestyle through which you can become slim, lean and physically fit. If I can shut down 35 kgs, then I'm sure you can too. You can contact me on 9967 365686 and 8454002299. You can also mail me on kaminikhanna@gmail.com. Like us on Facebook, that is Facebook/Beauty with Astrology. For more videos, subscribe now to Beauty with Astrology YouTube channel, YouTube/Beauty with Astrology.